folks. I'm super excited to launch Data Apps today. Essentially, the idea is dashboards are good when you know exactly what you want to see and you have like only a particular few ways of looking at the data, but they tend to be quite limiting if you want to be a bit more creative. Especially after the dashboard as code DAC launch, people wanted to push their creativity to a different level and then try to get the dashboards to do things that they were not meant to be doing. So we took a step back and said, okay, can we build something else here that would allow them to be more flexible? And here is what we call data apps. Data apps are essentially full-blown React applications that can do whatever you want and build custom UIs for your own needs. I have an example here that allows me to visualize our GitHub commit activity. It's an interactive dashboard so that you can see exactly what's happening where, and you can interact with different parts of this. You can change and modify the different parts. Okay, it doesn't work now with the GitHub rate limits, which is a good example because this is actually backed by real data coming from real APIs, so the dashboards can actually use whatever data source that you might need. You can build dashboards like this. You can also build, I'm going to come to that in a minute. You can build more creative stuff. So here I have a presentation for a Q4 performance of a toy company that it's a made up company. You can see that you can add weird, funny animations. These are all different interactive charts if you ever wanted to dig into them. And what you can also do here is you can build more interactive elements like calculators and stuff, but still keep them in a presentation form. And then you could pull them up in a proper full screen if you wanted to do outside of Bruin as well, as long as you're logged in. I wanted to show you my favorite application. I said, okay, can we build a BI tool? Okay, wait, Michael. Can we build a BI tool that works as Dunder Mifflin Scranton office from the office? So this is basically the entrance. This is Pam here. As I approach the desk, I can hit E, and then I can see the numbers and the reports here. And you can go to individual different people to see their results and the numbers, so that this is like completely different, weird, funny way of, I don't think anyone would actually really do this, but it's a funny way of doing things. To show the capabilities of the platform. And my favorite feature is when you approach Michael's desk, you actually get like a random quote from Michael, which is absolutely lovely. So this is pretty much it. You can build whatever you imagine here. I'm super excited to launch this today. We're enabling this as a beta launch for a select set of teams. So if you're interested in playing with this, hit me up and I'm going to enroll you in there as well. And looking forward to how you all are going to use this.